Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on anti-aging body butter.
So guys, for this recipe, for this anti-aging and blemishing body butter, we'll be needing our shea butter which is very good for the skin. Shea butter is a good moisturizer. It helps treat blemishes and reduces skin irritation. It's very good for anti-aging and anti-free radical agents. It helps reduces the elasticity of the skin, reduces razor irritation, and shea butter is a very good moisturizer. We'll be needing 3 tablespoons of shea butter into the mixture. This is African shea butter, guys, and we're in the winter, so it's very hard right now. So 3 tablespoons full of our shea butter into your mixing bowl mixture. We'll also be needing our coconut oil. We'll be adding in 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is filled with antioxidants and it's very good in moisturizing the skin. You can see, guys, my coconut oil is almost finished. I use coconut oil for virtually everything. So 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is cold pressed coconut oil. So scoop it all in there. So scoop everything in there. We're now going to double boil our shea butter and cold pressed coconut oil. You can also put this into the microwave, but it's safer to use a double boiler method. So we're going to be doing a double boiler method. We're going to be putting this on low heat, putting it in, leave on low heat, and leave to boil for, bring to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes on very low heat. So this is after 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes of leaving it in the double boiler method. As you can see, our coconut oil and shea butter has all melted in. We're going to be taking this off. Now we can add in our ingredients. I'll be adding in our turmeric oil, 1 tablespoon of turmeric oil into the mixture. Turmeric is very good for the skin. It helps even your skin tone and clear all those blemishes on the skin. We'll also be adding into the mixture 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a very good moisturizer. This will help moisturize those dry areas on the skin, and it will help give the skin a smooth texture. Also into the mixture, we'll be adding in our apricot oil. Apricot oil, as the name implies, is derived from apricot. This is also very good for the skin. It helps smoothen the skin. It's very good for anti-aging. 1 tablespoon of apricot oil. Also into the mixture, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of argan oil. Argan oil has also so many benefits. It helps to smooth the skin and helps the elasticity of this, and helps to improve the elasticity of the skin. So guys, we'll also be adding our vitamin E oil. 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil into the mixture. So 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil into the mixture. Stir very well hair very well. So after stirring, after mixing, we're going to be sealing. After mixing, so guys, after mixing, we're going to be sealing this properly. Seal it properly because this is going into the freezer. We just seal, put it into the freezer for about 1 hour to allow it solidify. After it solidifies, then we can now whisk so we can have that creamy consistency. So allow it to solidify for about 1 hour, then we can whisk. After getting this out from the freezer, we're going to open it. It has solidified. You can see, as you can see, it has solidified.
There you have it, guys, anti-aging body butter. This could be used once a day or even twice a day on your skin. It also could be used for all skin types. Remember, guys, consistency is key. Thanks, guys, for watching.
Purebliss so natural, everything cool and it dey natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss very nice and so natural.